It's like it's just never this serious in life, bro.
2 minutes. Watch.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Watch out.
What the
Just
fuck?
step one. Watch out. Watch out.
I'm concerned for your health.
Now this is the good part. Ready?
Oh my god.
Bro, you can't see that shit on video. Yep. 2 minutes back in, and then watch how this shit come out. I'm telling you. Could never even tell.
Just disgusting.
Oh shit, it popped. Watch out.
Microwaving beef.
That's fucking shot.
That's some nasty shit. Shit like dog food.
Oh, it's done.
Shit like it came out the can.